So, my husband is getting a leveling kit done on his 2022 Ram 1500. And we're getting it done at Les Schwab. These guys are super awesome. We come in here all the time for all of our personal vehicle work, all of our motorhome work, and even our 18-wheeler big rig work. So, yeah, these guys are awesome. Puyallup, Washington on Meridian Avenue. So, yep. We'll see what it looks like when it's all done. I wanted to show you the tires that he's going to be getting. So these are the tires that he's going to be getting on his leveling kit. He's pretty stoked. Yep. And the price is pretty reasonable too. So anyway, check them out. Les Schwab, Puyallup, Washington, Meridian Avenue. All right, you guys. If you ride motorcycles, ride safe, ride fun. Miss Jenny out.